Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing something truly special, a homemade oil serum that's quickly become my ultimate beauty secret. Originally, I created it as a scalp treatment, but after testing it for just a month, I discovered it's so much more than that. This serum has transformed my hair, skin, lashes, eyebrows, and even my nails. It's easy to make, budget-friendly, and packed with benefits. Trust me, by the end of this video you will want to try it yourself. So let's dive in. This multitasking serum is made with carefully chosen ingredients, each bringing unique benefits. Argan oil, known as liquid gold, it deeply nourishes and softens, making it perfect for hair, skin health, and nails. Rich in essential fatty acids, deeply nourish and repair damaged hair. It smooths frizz, adds shine, and protects against heat and environmental damage. It also promotes a healthier scalp, which can encourage stronger, thicker hair growth. Argan oil also hydrates skin, improves its elasticity, and reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a soothing choice for irritated or sensitive skin. Plus, it's lightweight and non-comedogenic, making it suitable for most skin types, including those with acne. Argan oil strengthens brittle nails, nourishes cuticles, and helps prevent splitting. Regular use can result in healthier, shinier nails that are less prone to breakage. Castor oil is a powerful ingredient for both hair and skin. Its high ricinoleic acid content promotes hair growth, strengthens strands, and locks in moisture, leaving hair softer, shinier, and less prone to breakage. For skin, it deeply hydrates, soothes irritation, and even helps cleanse impurities, making it a versatile addition to this serum. Whether you are nourishing your scalp, boosting your lashes and brows, or moisturizing your skin, castor oil truly does it all. Jojoba oil is a versatile and gentle oil suitable for all skin and hair types. It closely mimics the skin's natural sebum, helping to balance oil production and maintain healthy skin. Jojoba oil is lightweight, non-comedogenic, and deeply hydrating, making it an excellent choice for those with sensitive, oily, or acne-prone skin. It soothes irritation, reduces redness, and provides antioxidant protection against environmental factors. For hair, jojoba oil moisturizes the scalp, soothes dryness, and prevents flaking. It strengthens hair strands, reduces frizz, and adds a natural shine without weighing hair down. Its clarifying properties also help remove product buildup, leaving hair fresh, light, and healthy. Squalane, unlike its natural counterpart squalene, which can oxidize, squalane is a stable and lightweight oil that mimics our skin's natural lipids, offering deep hydration without clogging pores. Silica powder. You might know silica from traditional remedies like horsetail and nettle hair rinses, which were used for centuries to make hair stronger, shinier, and thicker. While the benefits of silica from diet are well documented, like boosting collagen and strengthening hair, its topical use offers some possibilities too. In this serum, silica helps by improving the texture and absorption of the oils so they penetrate better into your skin and hair, adding a smoothing effect to your hair, reducing frizz, and enhancing shine. Supporting a healthier scalp by absorbing excess oil and impurities. It's one of those subtle ingredients that complements the powerhouse oils in this recipe, bringing everything together for a truly luxurious experience. This serum also includes 3 powerful essential oils, each adding unique benefits to your scalp, hair, and skin. Rosemary essential oil, known for its ability to stimulate hair growth and improve circulation to the scalp. Rosemary oil also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe the skin and keep it clear. Lavender essential oil promotes relaxation while supporting healthy hair growth and a balanced scalp. For skin, it reduces redness, calms irritation, and helps in healing blemishes. Tea tree essential oil, a natural antiseptic, combats dandruff and soothes an itchy scalp. It's also great for acne-prone skin, as it helps reduce inflammation and fight bacteria that cause breakouts. Now let's make it together. Here is what you will need. Start by weighing 45 and 5 grams of argan oil into a mixing container. Add 1 gram of silica powder, then mix it well until it's completely blended. This step ensures that serum will have that silky, non-greasy finish. Next, add 20 grams of castor oil, 10 grams of squalane, and 20 grams of jojoba oil. Stir in 1 gram of vitamin E, around 20 drops, for its protective properties. Finally, add your essential oils: 20 drops of rosemary essential oil, 20 drops of lavender essential oil, and 10 drops of tea tree essential oil. If you have sensitive skin, reduce the amount of essential oils by half, especially if you want to use this serum on your lashes. Mix everything, then pour the serum into a glass dropper bottle. This recipe makes about 2 bottles, one for you and one to share or store in the fridge for later use. And that's it, your serum is ready. Now let me tell you why I am in love with this serum. I've been using it for 3 months already, so I think I've tested it quite well. When I first tried it, I noticed a huge difference. My skin felt soft, deeply moisturized, and most importantly, not greasy. Unlike many oils that sit on the surface of the skin, this serum truly absorbs, leaving my skin hydrated and glowing without the need of an extra moisturizer. I've also been using it on my lashes and brows, and the results are amazing. Longer lashes and thicker brows. I like to apply the serum to my face and body before bedtime, especially right after a shower. This helps lock in moisture and allows the serum to absorb even faster. By morning, my skin feels incredibly soft, bright, and hydrated. The serum works wonders on my hands too. My nails are healthier and stronger, and I like to use it not only before bed, but also through the day, especially if I've been washing my hands frequently. It keeps my hands soft and prevents dryness. This serum works amazing for my scalp as well. It keeps the skin moisturized and promotes hair growth, while also reducing hair fall, what I've noticed recently. I like to apply it to my scalp before washing my hair, leaving it on for at least an hour or even overnight. The ingredients have time to penetrate the skin, and the oils, especially castor oil, help dissolve impurities, making them easier to rinse out during washing. Afterward, I apply a drop or 2 to the ends of my hair to keep them hydrated and protected. And the best part is the serum is so versatile. Whether you are using on your scalp, adding a natural shine to your hair, or using as a luxurious face and body oil, this serum does it all. So what do you think? Ready to give it a try? If you do, let me know how it works for you in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who loves natural beauty tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next time. Bye bye!